Now let's have a look how to use complicated open contour profiles. So on this video, you could see there are profiles open contour, which we be going to look, and one is tapper and the land. So let's go for design and choose the plane and create a plane to the origin. And now I'll be transferring the plane toward 20 millimeters to the top here. I'm using the shortcut key from the keyboard for the instant of the plane. Then I'll be copying the identical plane and paste it. Once it done the identical plane, I've been transferring toward top with the value 75. So now you could see that the plane. So now we're going to have a split up the body into 3 elements. So I'm deciding on the body and the plane so that it will divide 2 elements. So identical manner we're going to be doing for the second plane. So now we've got accomplished the 3 elements. You can see right here now. So subsequent we're going to create the WireEDM technologies and select the Ona AD series machine. Then I'll be selecting the surface selection. So right click, I'll be going for the surface loop selection, and I'll unselect the process and unselect the backside face, and I'm just confirm it. So in the details we can see the cutting direction. If it is inward, you can change the direction of the wiring, and same way I'm giving the height of the profile which needs to go. So now the taper profile has been created, so we'll go for entry motion and giving the XY perpendicular. So we are creating an entry motion for the part. So once you will go to create a new part. I'm in the details, we'll change the name as a paper and the land. And let's go for surface selection, and same way what we have done for previous geometry, same way we'll be going to use the same process and answer back face and confirm it. Let's change the height of the profile now. And then we'll go for an entry motion where we can select the entry motion of the profile with 2 millimeters of length. With XY perpendicularly I've selected and confirmed. So now we can go for creating the process. I'm selecting all the wizard process and accept and calculate. Once the taper profile is done, same way we'll be doing for the land profile. So for the line profile, same way, same process, accept and calculate all the wizard process. And the process will be calculated automatically. So now the process has been done. So now we'll go for a stock creation. So in the stock creation I'll be using the bounding box. I'll be giving some values to create the boundary box with values in mm, just like I'm giving it 2 millimeters of values. Now we will be going to see stock simulation. The profile starts cutting it. So first is a tapper of profile, and now second is a skimming. So next will be the land portion roughing and skimming. So this is all the same procedure will be taken place inside the machine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit a bell icon to get the notification and updates. Thank you.